your girl Bree, here to let you know what's been going on around Atlanta Public Schools, in case you missed it. Did you know September is Attendance Awareness Month? Well, the winners of the Attendance Awareness Student Poster Contest sure do. Congratulations, you guys. These posters are awesome. Can you believe the Wildin Out crew came to Washington to help kick off their centennial celebration?
You know what I'm saying? I popped up on Booker T. They were showing love, man. All the kids were surprised and excited to see me, man. They were celebrating 100 years. I had to be a part of it, so yeah, I had to pop up on them.
Now that's one way to celebrate hitting 100 years. Thanks to Wildin Out for kicking it off right. APS Family Engagement wants y'all to get off on the right foot when looking for jobs. They just hosted an event for our male engagement network to improve resumes.
We are doing a resumes and headshots session for our male engagement network, the M.E.N initiative. We want to make sure we are providing job readiness opportunities and skills to our fathers and father figures, and of course mothers who also have sons.
They took new headshots, but what do you think of mine? Okay. Plenty more folks around APS got their picture taken as the Office of Equity and Social Justice went all over the district to surprise this year's Equity Champions. Let's take a look.
It feels amazing. Y'all surprised me today, but I'm just happy to be able to serve my community and give back to my students and be an equity champion to all of them.
We provide opportunities for every single student in Atlanta Public Schools. It is not just about the one, it is about all. So grateful to be honored.
So that's what's been happening. Let's look at what's coming up. Superintendent Dr. Johnson is hosting listening sessions for every cluster to hear what you think of his 100-day plan. On Saturday, September 28th, you can check out the Hispanic College and Career event being held at Agape Community Center from 2 to 4 p.m. And on Monday, September 30th, we're wrapping up National Literacy Month with a reading rally to celebrate Georgia Reads Day. Okay, that's it for now. Be sure to like, follow, and subscribe to our channel, APS Update, to see even more videos about what's happening around APS. See you next time.